and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make corned beef and cabbage. I've already served it. It turned out absolutely downright delicious. So let's get started. So now we have around 8 potatoes, 2 medium onions, and a bag of carrots. You can add as many potatoes as you'd like, how many potatoes you think your family needs for dinner. Okay, so now here comes the corned beef. Okay, I'm going to dump everything in it. Everything on it, all these juices. All good. I'm going to dump all the juices. Okay. I'm going to dump a bottle of beer, any kind of beer you'd like. I'm going to do about a cup of beef broth. There you go. We have the handy dandy package that comes with it. Dump that all over. Extra pepper on there. There's some garlic on there. Grab some of that in. Okay, so now we're going to let that cook. Now we're going to let this cook on high. You can cook it on high for about 4.5 hours. You can cook it on low, probably 8 to 10 hours. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, so I'm probably going to put mine on low. Okay, so let's put the lid on, and we'll see you in about 8 hours. Delicious. Okay, that's what it looks like now. I'm going to add the cabbage. Been cooking for quite a while. There's the cabbage. Cutting it like that anyway. Put the lid back on, and we shall return. Delicious corned beef and